Wounds from our childhood can affect our present life in unimaginable ways. Listen or repeat these powerful affirmations and let the power of positive words heal you from within. I let go of beliefs that don't serve me well. I let go of beliefs that don't serve me well. I choose to forgive others and let go of the past. I choose to forgive others and let go of the past. I release the need to be perfect. I release the need to be perfect. I release all negative emotions. I release all negative emotions. I am ready to move forward in my life. I am ready to move forward in my life. It's safe for my inner child to heal. It's safe for my inner child to heal. I am safe to recover. I am safe to recover. I am protected. I am protected. I accept myself just as I am. I accept myself just as I am. I am at peace with my imperfections. I am at peace with my imperfections. My imperfections make me beautiful. My imperfections make me beautiful. I truly love myself. I truly love myself. I am loved. I am loved. I am desirable. I am desirable. I am valued. I am valued. I value myself. I value myself. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. I treat myself with compassion. I treat myself with compassion. I am worthy of everything good. I am worthy of everything good. I enjoy trying new things. I enjoy trying new things. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am highly competent. I am highly competent. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I value and love the way I look. I value and love the way I look. I am comfortable in my own skin. I am comfortable in my own skin. I feel confident in my body. I feel confident in my body. I am intelligent. I am intelligent. I am capable. I am capable. I deserve to be treated with respect. I deserve to be treated with respect. I have high self-esteem. I have high self-esteem. I am comfortable saying no. I am comfortable saying no. My feelings are valid. My feelings are valid. It's okay to have opinions. It's okay to have opinions. I deserve to feel joy. I deserve to feel joy. I am free and happy. I am free and happy. I nurture myself with everything that is good for me. I nurture myself with everything that is good for me. I am allowed to have fun. I am allowed to have fun. I am allowed to be spontaneous. I am allowed to be spontaneous. I make a difference. I make a difference. I have a lot to offer the world. I have a lot to offer the world. I celebrate all of who I am. I celebrate all of who I am. I am healing lovingly. I am healing lovingly. I am thankful for this life. I am thankful for this life. Healing your inner child is essential to your well-being and growth. Believe and heal. Believe and manifest.